We are learning that Moderna's vaccine has an efficacy rate ranging from nearly 40% to just over 50% for children younger than 6. Now, at face value, that might not seem like eye-popping results, but Moderna's chief medical officer told us parents should be reassured that the vaccine will protect their kids.
The most recent phase of Moderna's Kid Cove trials revealed that 2 doses of its vaccine have a 51% efficacy rate for children 6 months to 2 years old and a 37% efficacy rate for children 2 to under 6 years old.
What would you say to parents who are worried about giving their babies the vaccine?
Well, look, I think the results should comfort you.
Dr. Paul Burton is Moderna's chief medical officer.
People can be reassured and confident that these kids will get safely protected against disease.
The trials were primarily conducted during COVID's Omicron wave, and Moderna says the vaccine appeared to generate the same volume of antibodies in children as it does in 18 to 24-year-olds.
Why did you want to enroll your kids in this study?
We wanted them vaccinated as soon as possible, and we also just very much wanted to see, vaccine trials move forward so that this, youngest group of kids could also get protected.
Ann Rodriguez's twins, Theo and Sam, were participants in Moderna's latest round of trials at the University of Wisconsin. She told us it was important to her family because her husband and mother, while vaccinated, both had pre-existing conditions that put them at higher risk for COVID's most severe effects.
One.
That's Theo getting one of his shots in November. When he and his brother turned 5, the Rodriguez family learned that Theo had received Moderna's vaccine and Sam received a placebo. They unenrolled Sam from the study so he could get the Pfizer vaccine.
Are you glad you got this done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rodriguez told us the experience has been a huge relief.
The last 2 years have been nothing that we would have ever imagined. Having vaccines for these youngest kids feels like a light at the end of the tunnel.
Now, as for side effects, Dr. Burton told us some Moderna trial patients did experience injection site pain or a low-grade fever, both normal reactions. The company's announcement comes as the FDA says making a vaccine available for kids younger than 5 is one of its highest priorities, only after careful and thorough analysis of relevant data. Gayle.
Nancy, thank you. Can I just say it's so good to see you in person and have you in the studio.
Good to be here.
Welcome to Nancy Chen.